everyone. So it's Apur. This is my video log for week 1 coding period in my JdeRobot GSOC. So let's begin with introducing me to the Robotics Academy. What's basically Academy is? Robotics Academy is basically a platform that provides you with several exercises to learn robotics and computer vision tasks. So, how to get started with Robotics Academy? Basically, there are two ways you can use Robotics Academy. One is through the Docker image, and one is through the Redeye connected with the Django web server. So, we will see both of these now. Let's begin with the Docker image. So, this is the command that you need to run on the terminal or the command prompt, and make sure that your Docker desktop is running, Docker daemon is running. So this is how it shows Docker desktop is running. Now I click on this, I run the command, and it open. Now you can see starting development server at http local http 0.0.0.0.8000. This 0.0.0. IP address belongs to the localhost. So let's open the Chrome browser. You can open any browser, localhost 8000, and you can see the Robotics Academy platform. So here is this follow line, obstacle avoidance, drone, cat and mouse, all kind of different activities that Robotic Academy is providing. So let's give you start with follow line, and you can see it's connected with the Docker image. Now I click on launch. It will establish a connection. It takes some time, 2 to 5 seconds only. So now let me load a file. So file loaded, and you can see I load in robot. I load the code from this Ace editor to the robot. It will take some time. The code will load, and then we can see the visualization. If I click on play now, you will be seeing that this robot is moving. This is the bird view for the follow line, and this is the view you will be seeing. This is a simulation going on. So that's how you can run an exercise on Robotics Academy through a Docker image. We have several different functionality like stop. We can stop this. We have simulation. You can see gazebo simulation connecting. It takes some time in rendering. So this is now the gazebo server. I can use gazebo directly exercise. We can also have a console, view console, and you will be able to see console, see pilot initialized, starting loop, all of this. Now let me try one another method, how to run Robotics Academy through Django server and Redeye separately. So for that, keep the two terminals open, and first go to the repository in which we have the Robotics Academy. So in my it's in, and you can see now I'm in the repository. Let's run the Django server. To run the Django server, you need to first have the virtual environment. So to create virtual environment, just write virtual env and the name of the environment. I have already created one, so I won't be creating it. I will just activate it now. To activate it, just see source, name of the environment. My environment name is env. Then bin activate. Bin activate is common for everyone. So now you can see the environment is activated. Now I will just run python 3 manage dot py run server. Now you can see it's up and running. So let's open it. Let me copy the link. So yes, now you can see it's running. But you will see a difference here. It's not connected. Connection lost, retrying connection. So for that, we need to run this command. You can see it was the same when we were running it for a Redeye, but see there's a flag, no server. No server indicates that we won't need a web server from the Redeye. Yes, now you can see it's connected. Now let me click on launch. It takes 5 to 6 seconds in the launching. It will just have the connection established. Now you can see. Now let me load the same file I loaded when I ran it with the red eye. Now you can see load in robot. It will take the code from the ace editor to the manager.py in the same way, and we will have the code. Now let me click on play, and okay. So see, now let's open the visualization. So you can see that we have established a connection, the exercise was running, and everything is working perfectly fine. So that's it. Thank you.